Don't you feel angry on yourself? Don't you feel that hate inside you? That we can use that hate to push you forward. You know what I did an hour ago? I was watching a fairy tale and I got upset because I was watching it, I was procrastinating instead of shooting a video. And I'm shooting right now and I'm glad for it. I'm glad for that I used my hate. I used my inner anger to fuel my energy, to fuel my self-improvement, to start filming this video. I hope this video will help you with this. Anytime you feel like you don't want to do something, get angry on yourself. You are not a slave to your own brain. Get fucking angry. Why you don't have bitches? Why you don't have good body? Why you don't have like 1 million in your bank account? Why? That's because you made the wrong decisions, you made wrong choices. Get fucking angry on yourself that you don't have it. I'm angry on myself that I don't have it. That's why I am on this grind. The year 2024 will be the greatest year I ever been through. The goal for this channel is 100k subscribers in the end of this year. That's the ultimate goal for myself. And anytime if I just reschedule something, if I miss something, if I maybe miss an upload, which I hope will not happen, I will get so fucking angry on myself. If I will miss an upload, I will upload 3 videos tomorrow. That's the rule, I set it for myself. I have to do it. I'm a man, and what I say, I mean it. And you should be the same. Just use your anger to fuel your energy and navigate that energy towards your dream, towards chasing your dreams. Thank you for watching this video.